With our commitment to health and safety, Amazing Lash Studio is implementing the following procedures. We are blocking 10 minutes between appointments to allow time to deep clean the suites and common areas, following disinfecting protocols set by the CDC. We're staggering appointments to minimize social contact, and we have optional curbside check-in via phone call to avoid gathering in waiting areas. All team members are wearing masks and gloves, and will undergo temperature checks before every shift to ensure they are well and ready for your service. Please be prepared to wear a mask during your appointment. You can bring your own, or we'll provide a disposable mask for you. We'll do temperature checks and also ask you a few questions to ensure you aren't sick or haven't been around anyone who is sick. At Amazing Lash Studio, all lash services are performed by licensed cosmetologists or estheticians in private suites, where your comfort and safety is our #1 priority. And finally, all team members have undergone special safety and sanitation training focused on smart, safe practices. When you arrive in the studio, you will be asked to cleanse your lashes to remove dirt, oil, and any potential bacteria that may be harmful to your stylist. For the safety of every guest and lash stylist, before each service the entire suite will be disinfected, including door handles, the music volume control dial, lash table, trolley top and drawer handles, and the overhead light. The table will be covered with fresh table paper. When the room is ready, your stylist will wash their hands before coming to the lobby to greet you. Once you're ready for your service and laying on the lash table, your stylist will put on fresh gloves or finger cots and remove gel pads and tweezers from their sterilization pouch. Your stylist will keep you informed of what she or he is doing throughout the service so you can feel safe and comfortable, and relax. At Amazing Lash Studio, our #1 priority is the health and safety of everyone in our studio. If you have any questions or concerns before your appointment, please don't hesitate to ask us. We look forward to seeing you soon.
At Amazing Lash Studio, we believe a woman's eyes can be mysterious, but framing them with full, glamorous lashes doesn't have to be. We've answered some of our guests' most frequently asked questions, so you'll know just what to expect at your first visit. You can expect check-in at your first appointment to take a few minutes. Arriving 15 minutes early means you can check in, complete some brief paperwork, and complete the necessary step of cleansing your lashes without cutting into your appointment time. That gives your stylist a full 90 minutes to 2 hours, depending on your services, to focus on giving you the personal attention you deserve. Come to your appointment with your face as free of makeup and other products as possible. Sunscreens, moisturizers, and eye makeup can interfere with the application process. Avoid waterproof mascara for 2 to 3 days prior to your appointment. Oh, and a surprising tip from our stylists: take a break from curling your lashes on appointment day. You've arrived early, your paperwork is in, your lashes are clean, and your stylist has just called your name. The two of you will go to a private room where you can talk about your desired results before getting started. Consultations can make all the difference in the world. Sharing pictures of lashes you love can be a great way to help your stylist see your vision. So visit Pinterest, tear them from magazines, save them to your phone, or take selfies on a good lash day. If you want advice or have any questions, now is the time to ask. After your consultation, you'll lay on a comfortable, cushioned massage table, draped under a cozy velour blanket, and your stylist will begin applying one extension to each of your healthy natural lashes until your look is complete. Many people find it so comfortable and relaxing that they fall asleep. If you do, you'll awake to find the longer, thicker eyelashes you've been dreaming of. Guest tip: avoid caffeine and contact lenses on appointment day if possible. When your service is complete, your lash stylist will walk you through aftercare instructions and show you what products are necessary to keep your lashes looking amazing. The very last thing we think you should expect is compliments. Your friends and family will notice your new look immediately. If you love it as much as our other guests do, you might want to spread the word. Ask a lash consultant about our Refer a Friend program. And that is everything you need to know before your first appointment. We can't wait to meet you in person in our studio.